Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you the second chapter of your English grammar book. The chapter name is Noun. Noun is everywhere. So, what is a noun? A noun is a word which names a person, place, animal, action, quality, feeling, or anything that we can think of. For example, let's see person. In person, we can take any name of woman or man, just as Anita, woman, man, Geeta, Sita, etc. For place, we can take the any name of the place like city, town, village, Rampur, Ramanujganj, Balrampur, etc. Animal. In animal also we can take the name of any animal, just as dog, cat, cow, lion, etc. So as in think also, table, chair, book, etc. In quality, honest, love, believe. So in this way we can say all these are called noun. Now let us see the type of noun. Noun can be broadly divided into two, namely concrete noun and abstract noun. Concrete noun can further divided into four, that is proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun. So in this way we can say nouns are of five types. First, proper, common, collective, material, and abstract noun. Okay, students. Now let us see the proper noun. What is proper noun? A proper noun is a name given to some particular place, person, animal, or thing. Remember, this is a particular, this is the specific noun. Okay. For example, person, Mr. Mathur and Rustam. In place, America and Europe. In animal, Royal Bengal tiger and pussycat. In think, dove and pears. Dove and pears are the particular product of a soap which we applied in our body during bathing. Okay, so these are a proper noun. Now let's move on to the common noun. So first of all, let us see what is common noun. Common means to open to all. Okay, it is a general name. The definition says a common noun is a name given to any person, place, animal, or thing of the same class or kind. When we speak of common noun, we don't speak of any particular or a specific person or place. When we utter this type of noun, it refers the whole class of that particular name. Like baby, when we say baby, baby can be female or male of whole universe. We don't say any particular baby. And boy, boy also, when we utter it, refers to all the boy of this universe, like this, girls and man. Did you understand, students? So for today only this much. We'll see next class in the next remaining nouns. Okay, thank you.